Okay, I'm working on my 95 12 valve Cummins here, and I wanted to post this video because there isn't a video about it. I'm replacing the fan clutch. As you can see here, I had the fan assembly out. Okay, I used a air hammer, and it's left-handed thread, so righty-loosey, and it got it right off. But I wanted to show you that you do not need to remove the fan shroud to get that out. As you can see, there's the nut where the fan clutch hub would bolt up to. This is still in place, although what I had to do was I removed the oil fill tube right here, and that gave enough room to move the fan out, and it saves a nightmare from having to take the fan shroud out and whatnot. So figured this would help somebody. Good luck. See you at the next one. Take care.